to step inside my house.
Your house, yeah. Oh, it does have the bathroom. Excellent.
It didn't have bird shit on it when I first.
Oh, this isn't too bad. Wow. This isn't bad at
You don't
all.
have the stuff to get in either.
No.
I mean, basically,
That's for
the
one
main
person.
work is that you have to break this down and turn it into a bed every night if you
Or
want to do
not
any
ever
work.
sit at a table.
I would, because if I were living in one, I would be working remotely and I would be working right here.
Right. You want to
I
sleep?
actually prefer the bathroom to the one without the couch, or with the couch, because the couch for me is like,
What's the point?
what am I going to do with this? Like, it's not big enough to...
Right.
Well, it helps if they put the bathroom with the length, because then you get more room to shower. And see, I like this better. Like, this is better. You just have the things and not have a sink. I don't like
Right.
having a sink in there. It takes up space. I can always knock into it all the time.
Yeah, this is actually not bad for the 13-footer. With a bath, I like it with the bathroom.
Have no counter space.
Is, oh yeah.
You don't have the counter
There's
space.
no counter space.
Well,
You
You put a
some
topper
built
over that.
But then, like, when you're cooking, you can't cook it and cut up your
Well,
stuff.
you cut your stuff up with whatever you put on top of it.
hey, look,
and
they've
you move
got
it
storage over here, though.
I know, but sometimes you cut stuff up at the same time something else is cooking. You can't do that
Different
unless
paradigm.
you can figure
So-
out something else.
The question I
That's
have,
a
and I haven't
tiny
figured out yet,
Good.
yeah, for a single person like
Single
me, that
person,
would be
I guess,
fine. Unless you're going to Costco.
That's good. Got to have an air conditioner.
Yeah, that part I would have a hard time doing without.
Yeah.
What I'm curious about is the brown water.
Oh.
How do you dump water? Let's say I'm out in the wilderness and I've got the...
Right here.
Yeah, but...
You got the black and you got the brown.
Oh, okay. I see.
You have two different ones.
But if I take...
No, we've got the camera going
How's that
now.
going to come out? Okay. Cut that part out. If I poop...